Okay, this is a short video of the sounds of the Drumlogue, the Korg Drumlogue. Korg just brought out recently. It's an amazing machine, and the sounds are phenomenal. Here, I'm just going to give you a sample of what it really sounds like. It'll be in sequence mode, but you can do all kinds of stuff with it. Okay, so let's give this a start here. Now, this is the first preset sound. It's called Computer. You can move to the next sound. It's called Electro. This is Humid Basement. Gives you an idea of what it can do. Keep in mind, these sounds are factory, so they can be altered, changed, modified, whatever you want to do with them. Now, you can start fresh if you want to. The other thing, these are great stereo files. A lot of fresh sounds. Okay, basically, there's a lot more there, but that gives you an idea of the sound potential. Just in that short, in this short little video, you have all the ability to have your drums, your kicks, your snares, your toms, your hats, everything is all right in front of you. It's really simple to program. You have a live mode, you have the global mode, which you can use upgrades and so on, because there'll be probably a lot of really good upgrades and firmwares coming up. Maybe some new sounds, etc., etc. So I'd recommend this just for the sounds alone. They're clean and killer. Okay, that's the new Korg Drumlogue hybrid drum machine. Now it's hybrid because it has analog sounds as well as live samples, and they've done a good job of mixing the two, so you can play any style you wish. Okay, thanks for listening, and talk to you soon.